Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make this delicious crispy shrimp dish together. Let's see how it's done. First, peel the potatoes and cut them into small pieces. The size of the pieces doesn't matter much as they will be cooked and mashed. Peel the carrots. If they are larger, cut them into several pieces. Add some salt and cook on low heat for about 20 minutes, adding cold water. In the meantime, we'll add flavor by adding desirable amounts of salt, black pepper, turmeric, garlic powder, and curry powder. The curry powder is optional. Mix well and set aside. When the potatoes and carrots are cooked, remove them from the heat. Separate the carrots and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, or if preferred, 20 grams of butter to the potatoes. Add black pepper and mix until smooth and creamy. Cut the carrots diagonally. Now mix 1 cup of crispy shrimp flour with 1 cup of non-flavored beer. The consistency should be like porridge. If needed, adjust the consistency by adding more flour or beer. Dip the shrimp in the batter and then fry them in hot frying oil. Keep the heat moderate. The frying time is between 5 to 6 minutes. When the shrimps reach your desired color, place them on an absorbent paper towel to remove the excess oil. Serve the shrimp with mashed potatoes and carrots in the desired dish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay happy, healthy, and kind.